Man, isn't she looking good? Blackjack is looking so good. I am absolutely loving this bike with the new DNA wheels, the +2 suspension. It just came out really good, and huge shout out to you guys for commenting on the video where I revealed the bike. The video did really good, and you guys are seeming to like Blackjack and the modifications that I did to it. But I did want to come out really quick and make a update video on the tires because a lot of you guys have commented and asked me, how did they fare out on my 8,000 mile cross-country, coast to coast road trip where we left New Jersey for 3 weeks, went all the way to Oregon, California, and then back. We also went up and down. A lot of people were asking me, well, it wasn't 8,000 miles from New Jersey to Oregon and back. That's about a little over 6,000, but we went up and down to get to our destinations. So we did close to 8,000 miles over the course of 3 weeks. I put these tires on, the Michelin Commander 3 tires, I put them on when the bike had 800 miles. This is a brand new 2024 Road Glide. So currently the bike has 10,800 miles. And these tires, these current tires that I left on the trip with have 10,000 miles on them. It's incredible. I did about 2,000 miles on these tires before I went on the trip. And then we put about, like I said, roughly close to 8,000 miles on the trip. And then since I've been back, I probably only put, because we've been busy with the Springer Softail, probably only put about 200-300 miles on the bike since I got back. Haven't been doing a lot of riding on this bike, but the tires do have 10,000 miles on them. But before we go any further, let me take you to Mike's shop over at Torque Custom Cycles. That's when I transferred the tires that I had on the stock wheels. I transferred them over to our brand new DNA Specialty Raider wheel, and we did have to change out the front to a 21-inch tire, but I want to show you guys how much meat is left on the tires. It's really remarkable because they honestly still look brand new. What's going on, guys? I'm here with Mike. He's actually going to be replacing, not replacing, but changing over my Michelin tires that I had on the bike, and they are going to be going onto these beautiful, gorgeous DNA wheels. What's up, buddy? Busy? Show us that turbo. What do you got over here? Oh, damn. Look at this thing. So how much power? Did you have it on the dyno yet or not yet?
No, the last one we did it was about 146 horsepower.
At the wheel?
At the wheel.
Nice.
147 foot-pounds of torque.
Oof, that's pretty good. Wow. Stock motor?
Stock motor.
Stock motor.
This one, though, has a cam.
Oh, it does?
So this has got a cam by Bone Breaker Performance. It's specially designed for turbos.
Oh, no kidding.
So we're hoping, from what they're telling me at Bone Breaker, that we're going to hit over 150 horsepower with this.
Oh, wow. Can't wait to see that. What do you think about them, Mike?
I think they're nice.
These are their newest design?
The design is nice. It's close. They kept with that, kind of like what the stock wheel looks like.
Right.
They've improved on it.
Right.
You know, by putting these little pieces in here.
Right.
It's a really nice wheel. It's going to look sharp.
Yeah, chrome rotors. That's going to look good.
Yeah.
So this is another thing, guys, where I was telling you guys, I love these Michelin Commander 3 tires. Not only the traction in the dry, cold, especially in the wet, they're awesome. But I put these tires on when I had 800 miles on the bike, and now I have 11,000 miles on the bike. So 10,200 miles on these tires.
30 seconds. It's pretty good.
530 seconds still tread life on them. 92, sorry, wait, hang on, I gotta do my math. 10,200 miles on these tires. That's crazy.
That's impressive.
Right?
That's impressive.
I mean, the stock tires that the Harley comes with, I probably would only get like 6,000-7,000 out of them, something like that.
Probably 7.
But these are still good. We're gonna go with the new front because the new front wheel is a 21-inch, so I got a new Michelin tire for that. And how much on the back?
8.
830 seconds. You see what I'm saying? So That's a lot of meat on them tires still for 10,200 miles. So I'm gonna put the Michelin tire that I have currently on my stock wheel onto the new DNA wheel. And we're just gonna put the new 21-inch Michelin tire on the new 21-inch DNA wheel. And I'll show you guys how all that looks. Mike's also gonna be switching over to TPMS sensors onto the new DNA wheels. That looks real good. Holy cow. Oh man, this looks good. Look at that. Fresh Michelin tire, beautiful chrome DNA rotor, beautiful DNA wheel. I will have all the links for you guys down below in the video description so you guys can check out this specific wheel and also all the rest of the beautiful wheels at DNA Specialty. Man, let me tell you, this wheel is absolutely gorgeous. So now, isn't that unbelievable? 10,000 miles on a set of Michelin Commander 3 tires. And honestly, like I've said, I still think I could probably get easily, because the back one is still from the previous set. I could still get, I'm gonna say probably another 7,000 miles. Let's say 5,000. Just to be safe. And I will update you guys when I change out the rear Michelin Commander 3. But that's 15,000 miles on a set of Michelin Commander 3 tires. A lot of people were commenting and asking the longevity of the tire. Right there, it goes to show you that you can easily get 15,000 miles out of a Michelin Commander 3. And I honestly say, I could probably even get more, and I will definitely update you guys when the time comes when I have to replace the back tire. But I did obviously have to replace the front tire because we went from a 19-inch stock wheel to a 21-inch DNA Raider wheel because I wanted that look. So the front one is new, but we still have the original Michelin Commander 3 tire on the back. But I will tell you guys, not only the longevity of the tire, the reliability, super smooth. You guys, if you guys have been watching all of the videos from our trips, we were doing, the speed limits out there are 80 miles an hour. Traffic's flowing 90, 95. We even got it up a little faster. Super smooth tire, no vibration, no wobble, no nothing. Just an excellent, excellent tire. And especially when we went up to Pikes Peak, it actually was raining going up and raining coming down. And if you guys have been up to Pikes Peak, I will tell you, if I didn't have these tires, the Michelin tires on it, I would have definitely felt very uncomfortable coming down because I know, I am confident with these tires. Cold climates, they even chirp if you try to brake. And not a lot of tires do that. Mostly a lot of tires that have a very hard compound aren't going to grip, especially in the cold weather. These tires literally make a chirping sound in cold weather when you try braking. But the main thing for me is in wet conditions. We ride in the rain, and we rode in the rain for hundreds and hundreds of miles during this trip. Even in the past, on my previous bikes with the Michelin Commander 3s, sometimes we rode over 1,000 miles in the rain, and I just feel super, super confident. Not only did I have the Michelin Commander 3s, Danny had them on his bike, on his Street Glide, and also Sandy had the Michelin Scorchers on his bike. And let me tell you, none of us had a problem. Riding with these tires in the wet condition, in the rain, they really grip the road super, super good. You don't feel any tire slippage, hitting the throttle, you don't feel any slippage upon braking, and you know that you feel confident enough that these tires are going to do what they are supposed to do. See, a lot of you guys have your, tire manufacturer, and that's fine, whatever. I'm just telling you my honest and personal opinion about these tires. And honestly, even when I had sports cars in the past, the Michelin tire was the way to go. It was the best tire all around. I mean, even some of the best highest end sports cars come with the Michelin Cup 2 tires. Even my bike over here, which we may talk about in a future video, it comes with the Michelin Cup 2 tires. It is just a fantastic high quality tire. But if you have a Road Glide, Street Glide, or a Road King, the Michelin Commander 3 touring tire, I'm telling you, me personally, I don't think there's any other way to go as far as longevity of the tire. You're going to get your money's worth, and for the traction, whether it's in hot, cold, wet conditions, you're going to get the best traction, and that's what's most important. But let me know your thoughts, guys, down below in the comments below. But I'll give you guys an update video when it's time to replace that tire, and I'll tell you exactly how many miles it got. Peace out.